Have you ever wondered why some people can charge $1,000 for something others can't sell for $10? It's not magic, it's the offer. In today's episode of The Dive, we're unpacking $100 million offers by Alex Hormozi, the book that teaches you how to create offers so irresistible, people feel dumb saying no. Whether you're a freelancer, coach, entrepreneur, or content creator, this is the marketing playbook you didn't know you needed. Let's build your money machine, one value-packed offer at a time. 1. Who is Alex Hormozi? Alex Hormozi isn't just a marketing guy. He scaled a gym business from scratch to over $100 million using the exact strategies in this book. No fluff, no clickbait. Just straight business building value. His story is raw, real, and built on years of experimentation. Now, he runs acquisition.com and teaches others how to grow from $0 to scalable revenue using nothing but a strong offer. 2. The value equation. At the core of this book is the value equation. Here's how it works. Value equals dream outcome times perceived likelihood of achievement / time delay times effort and sacrifice. That's a mouthful, but it's genius. Dream outcome. What result does your audience crave? Perceived likelihood. How much do they believe you can help them get there? Time delay. How fast can you deliver it? Effort and sacrifice. How hard is it for them to get the result? To increase value, paint a clear, desirable vision. Boost credibility and reduce doubt. Deliver faster results. Make the process easier for them. 3. Pick a niche you understand deeply. Hormozi emphasizes, don't guess what people want. Find a niche where you understand their pains, goals, and language. You've either been them or helped people like them. When your offer sounds like a solution to their internal dialogue, it clicks. 4. Making offers so good. Hormozi introduces a bold challenge. Build a grand slam offer. This means a clear promise, scarcity or urgency, bonuses that solve objections, guarantees that eliminate risk. He teaches how to stack bonuses, remove friction, and price based on value, not cost. Light bulb example, if you're a content coach, don't just offer 1 calls. Offer a package like, I help you launch a 5-video YouTube series in 14 days, script, thumbnails, edits guaranteed. 5. The 4 core types of value. Hormozi breaks value into 4 areas. Make money, save time, improve quality of life. Ask yourself, which of these does your offer improve? The stronger and more direct the benefit, the more powerful the offer. 6. Pricing psychology. People don't pay for effort, they pay for outcomes. You can charge more when your audience believes in your solution. You position the price as a fraction of the gain. You anchor it to a bigger cost, e.g., hiring a team would cost $5,000 per MO. This offer gets you similar results for $997. 7. Common offer mistakes. Too vague. No one buys coaching. They buy clarity and transformation. Too complicated. People don't want 8 modules. They want the result. No urgency. If there's no reason to act now, they won't. No emotional connection. Speak their language. Solve their pain. 8. Real-life application. I've personally used $100 million offers to clarify what I offer on this channel. Instead of content, I now focus on delivering outcomes for creators, like clarity, confidence, and monetization strategies. This shift changed how people responded and how I position the value of my work. 9. Key takeaways. Offers create income, not effort. Understand the value equation and stack your offer accordingly. Make it simple, outcome-focused, and emotionally resonant. If no one is buying, fix the offer, not the product. If this video helped you rethink your business, hit like and subscribe. Tomorrow, we're diving into Seth Godin's Purple Cow,